Hey guys, so I was looking here, for example, for the solution of when the Tarkov verification code is not sending, what you can actually try to do. I was looking here on Reddit and someone recommended something that worked for me was turning on the VPN and requesting the authentication code. I read somewhere that people aren't getting the code due to a bad server on their end, and by turning on the VPN, the request went through a different server. So there was this problem with the Hotmail and Outlook accounts, and that's something that like you need to know. And also what you can try to do is that maybe try like incognito window or like something like that, and I just opened the launcher and it was playable after 7 days of waiting. So they got a reset password, but they don't got the verification. So try to have it like from the VPN, just download some free VPN, maybe it's going to work. I hope so.